fair. Oh no! Oh no!
What a friendship.
Oh no! That!
There it is. That B flat. And all he's doing is taking B flat, going up one semitone. Okay, Lisa. So I heard this song yesterday for the first time.
Okay.
And it's a Lewis Capaldi song.
Oh,
and
I love Lewis.
I decided, I don't do this very often, but I watched the music video. And I was like, first off, the song is so good. But I watched the music video and it was one of like the most emotional videos like I've seen in a long time.
Oh.
So I wanted to I just want you to experience everything, the music, the visuals, just take it all in, okay? So this is Lewis Capaldi, Wish You the Best. All right.
That looks nice.
I miss knowing what you're thinking and hearing how your day has been.
Oh no.
It's got the dog in.
Everything, darling, but leave out every part about him.
Oh no.
Right now you're probably by the ocean, while I'm still out here in the rain.
He's doing those six,
With every day that passes
broken
by since we've spoken, it's like Glasgow gets farther from LA. Maybe it's supposed to be this way, but oh my love, I wanna say I miss the green in your eyes. And when I said we could be friends, guess I lied. I wanna say I wish that you never left. Oh, but instead I only wish you the best.
Oh no.
What a friendship.
That's not even. Oh no. Oh no.
I wanna say I wish that you never left. Oh, but instead I only wish you the best.
He had to hit that minor four chord
Well,
right
I
there.
can't help but notice.
This is not fair.
You
Oh no.
never know.
This is sad.
And I guess
And
that
rain.
I should tell you I'm sorry. It seems I was the problem somehow. Maybe I only brought you down.
Oh no.
But oh my love, I wanna say I miss the green in your eyes. And when I said we could be friends, guess I lied. I wanna say I wish that you never left. Oh, but instead I only wish you the best. I wanna say
Got a new friend.
everything's wrong.
Life goes on, you know?
You were everything I need all along. I wanna say I wish that you never left. Oh, but instead I only
Clever.
wish you the best.
We're gonna get.
But oh my love,
Okay.
oh,
It's gotta have those O's
It's
in
got
there.
all the elements of a hit song with OOOs and a dog.
wish I could say it's something I really mean. That I want you happy whether or not it's with me. I wanna say I wish that you never left. Oh, but instead I only wish you the best. I wanna
Oh.
say without
Oh.
you everything's wrong.
He's with his owner again.
You were everything I need all along.
Oh, passing diminished chord.
I wanna say I wish that you never left. Oh, but instead I only wish you the best.
Willow.
Oh, that was horrible.
It's
Oh my gosh. I didn't stand a chance.
you have an old man, you have a dog, and you have what key is that in?
Epic pop
E
chords.
flat. This. Like. So. Okay, let's just go over like what just happened.
Aside from my heart being ripped out of my body, I'm crying on the camera.
Yeah, no, it's just he got you with every element. He's using he's using theory elements. He used like a B flat to a B diminished at one point, right at the end to really convey that emotion, which is so, so cool. He had this nice like minor 4 that I think he had the 3rd in the bass. Here, let's just play it. I'm gonna see if I can figure out
You gotta play
what he's doing here.
You show us what's going on.
Now let's look at the music.
I miss knowing what you're thinking and hearing how your day has been. Do you think you could tell me everything, darling, but leave out every part about him?
All right.
Okay.
So he's just going back and forth between a couple notes, B flat and E flat. Just this little. And it goes down to D, a little tension. Back to kind of outlining C minor here. This is like a nice like A flat sus. Because sus chords are just so beautiful. And you know what this rocking pattern reminds me of? Sounds like Somebody You Love. It's like a.
It's very similar.
It's similar vibes, right? It's just like, that was the first thing I thought of when I heard it. It's just like I mean, that song's so beautiful too, but it's just that, so Lewis really loves that like rocking back and forth.
I love it. It's a signature style, but instead of it being a it is kind of, what is the interval?
Well, he's in the other song, Someone You Loved.
It's a 6th.
It's a 6th. In this one, he's doing a perfect 4th because his right hand is not playing chords. It's more so just like playing that melody, and that left hand is just like playing that big bass line.
It's so driving, and it's almost got like a sort of, well, it's pop, but it has almost like a cinematic element.
Oh, big time, yeah. It's like, here, let's keep going.
Right now you're probably by
it's really soft.
While I'm still out here in the rain.
Oh, he has an F in there.
With every day that passes by since we've spoken, it's like Glasgow gets farther from LA.
Oh, new chord.
It's supposed to be this way.
So
that's clever.
3/4 C minor.
But oh my love, I wanna say I miss the green in your eyes.
Oh, now he's going higher with melody. Just kind of like these 4 notes he's messing around with. Oh. So E flat here. B flat. C minor. Like E flat over B flat. Oh, that chord.
That's the moment. That's
right, the end of the chorus.
Ooh,
so I think,
it's clever.
That's what he's doing. Like you don't hear that very often in music. It's the minor 4 chord, but instead of just playing that, he really wants to accentuate that sad note, which is the C flat or the B. So like if I just play the chords, it's like this the first time. He's like it's your pop progression, right? The 1, 5, 6, 4. Here's that 5 chord. And the first time he stays on that A flat, he repeats it again. Kind of messing around with like that D, C. And there's that sweet chord right before he gets right back soft.
Tension release?
That you got it. It's just tension and release. And that's all music is. And you add a dog in that mix, and you add an old man.
Oh my gosh.
And then you put the collar on and the cross at the end, and it's
and the rain.
And the dog in the rain over that minor 4 chord. Listen, think
dog in the rain.
It's just, what a sad way to resolve to that. Like it's sad, but it's also like it still resolves because they're together at the end, and just like the chord progression resolves, the video also resolves. It's kind of cool.
It's beautiful.
And he had that. I wonder if I can quickly find it. The part where he does that diminished chord near the end. So he has a soft pre-chorus, E flat. Oh. Yeah. A flat. E flat here. B flat.
That!
There it is,
That!
that B flat. And all he's doing is taking B flat, going up one semitone, and just more tension, as if the song needed more tension to get to the C minor. It's that passing, diminished chord. And you can really hear it in like that low end in the bass there, or the strings, whatever that is. But very, very cool. And then it goes to that minor 4 again and ends. Chef's kiss. Masterpiece.
Okay, so the elements that make this are the pop progression,
The pop progression.
those rocking.
Can we call it the pup progression?
Yeah, we can.
Okay.
The pop progression,
Yeah.
these rocking perfect
Yeah, that
fourths.
rockin' melody.
I feel like it's really important to mention slash chords because without that, you wouldn't have the sound.
Yes.
And then we had what was that tension moment that we had?
The minor 4.
The minor 4.
That's like the most beautiful way to resolve, in my opinion. It's just like, you take that 4 chord, it's major, and he has a major one,
Yep.
and then he makes it minor, but not only does he make it minor, he does the 3rd in the bass, so like extra
Minor.
and then resolves
Oh
to
my
the
gosh.
1.
So minor 4, that's a sneaky trick.
Sneaky trick, and he had a passing diminished
And
chord.
a passing diminished. So
At the
that's what
end.
took it from being just the usual pop, I can't
The
pop
pop
progression into something that had these like unique features that
Yeah.
really kept us engaged outside of the fact that this emotion about the dog is never gonna leave me. It's like when I watched Old Yeller when I was a kid. It's like I never recovered from that. And this is the same feeling, so thanks a lot.
Hey, you're welcome. If you need a good cry, take a listen to Wish You the Best, Lewis Capaldi, and enjoy the music.